Are you looking to turn your Pinterest passion into a profitable venture? You are in the right place. Pinterest is more than just a platform for discovering DIY projects and recipes. It's really a powerful tool to generate income through affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'm going to be diving into the ins and the outs of using affiliate links on Pinterest, helping you to boost your income while sharing the things that you love. Let's jump right in. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a win-win for both the creators and the brands. As an affiliate marketer, you are going to promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. Pinterest, with its visually driven interface, is an ideal platform for showcasing products and engaging in a way that makes it easier to drive traffic and generate sales. Choosing the right affiliate programs. When selecting an affiliate program, look for the ones that align with your niche and also with what your audience or followers are going to be into. High commission rates and reliable tracking are essential. Programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Reward Style are popular choices among Pinterest users, and it's pretty simple to sign up for. A lot of people in the very beginning try to sign up for really big programs that require a big following, like LTK or Amazon Influencer Program. Just know that you have to start somewhere, and once you get that following or that audience, then you can apply for the bigger, harder to get into programs later on. With any of the programs, evaluate each of them to find the best fit for your content. Creating compelling pins for affiliate links. Design is key when it comes to Pinterest. Your pins should be visually appealing and relevant to the product or the services that you're promoting. You want to use high quality images. You want to put text over those images that include keywords that your ideal client is using in searches. You want to create catching pin titles and descriptions and include a call to action, not just in the description of the Pinterest pin, but also on that text overlay. On any pin, you want to have an image. You want to have a text overlay with keywords that are going specifically to your content. And then you also want a call to action. By the way, if you want 80 free calls to action, all you have to do is sign up for my free resources at thepinterestqueen.com/resources. And don't forget to include in the description that it's an affiliate link unless you're linking to a blog on your website. So let's dive into that. Affiliate links versus a link to your blog. The best way to share affiliate links, in my opinion, is to use a blog from your website. On Pinterest, you're sharing the blog link. And then in the blog, you need to ensure that you put that disclosure that there's affiliate links, but you don't have to put that on Pinterest if it's going to your blog. If you're using the affiliate link directly on Pinterest, you have to disclose that it's an affiliate link. One reason why I like to use blogs for any of my affiliate information is because they click through, and on that blog, you're going to educate them, right? You're going to put all that information on the blog about the product or the service that you are using the affiliate link for. Don't just share how amazing something is, because that's not as believable. Share about what you expected when you purchased the product or the service, what you got when you purchased the product or the service, and how that product or service ultimately helped you improve your life or your job or whatever. So it's basically a whole story: what you thought you were getting, what you got, and how it's helped you. That is much more believable, and you will have way more trust. And also, as a bonus, if it is a product, you should be sharing photos of you using that product, how you use that product. Everyone uses products differently, and having that perspective, again, implies way more trust, and they're more likely to click on that link and purchase whatever that product or service is. Tracking and analyzing your performance. This is crucial, and so many people don't do that. Utilize tools like Pinterest Analytics, Google Search Console, all of those types of things to be able to track the performance of your affiliate pin. Monitor metrics such as clicks, saves, conversions to understand which of your pins worked best, and then use this data so that you can refine your strategy and improve your results and make better pins moving forward. If you're new to this whole process, do your research. Learn from others who have successfully monetized their Pinterest accounts. Study their strategies from pin design to affiliate program selection and apply those insights to your approach. Real life examples can provide valuable inspiration and guidance. So, bottom line, integrating affiliate links into your Pinterest strategy can be a game changer for your income. By choosing the right programs, creating compelling content, and analyzing your performance, you can turn your pins into a profitable endeavor. All right, go dive in and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.